1.5 million years ago, Earth was still a world ruled by survival, not civilization. Early humans lived in small groups, moving across vast landscapes shaped by shifting climates, predators, and scarcity. This was the time of Homo erectus, a species more advanced than its ancestors, with taller bodies, longer legs, and brains noticeably larger than before. They walked farther, hunted more effectively, and adapted to environments their predecessors could not. To modernize, these changes appear dramatic, and for some, they raise an unsettling question. What caused such sudden transformations in the human body? From a scientific perspective, the answer lies in evolution driven by pressure. Life 1.5 million years ago demanded endurance. Open grasslands replaced dense forests, forcing early humans to travel long distances in search of food and water. Bodies adapted accordingly. Legs grew longer for efficient walking and running, torsos became more balanced, and hands evolved for better tool use. Brain size increased slowly, supporting improved planning, memory, and social cooperation. These were not random changes, but responses to a harsh and demanding world. Yet the mystery begins when these physical developments are viewed through a speculative lens. Some theorists argue that the changes seem too organized, too purposeful. They point to the rapid improvement in body proportions, brain capacity, and tool-making ability, and ask whether natural evolution alone can explain it. This is where the idea of alien intervention enters the conversation. According to this hypothesis, extraterrestrial beings may have interacted with early humans, altering our biology to accelerate development. Supporters of this idea often claim that aliens experimented on early human bodies, enhancing strength, intelligence, or endurance for unknown reasons. Some imagine humans as test subjects, others as a designed workforce, or even a long-term experiment in intelligence. They suggest that changes in skull shape, posture, and brain growth were not just evolutionary steps, but intentional modifications. In this view, the human body became a canvas for an advanced intelligence beyond Earth. However, when examined through evidence rather than imagination, this theory begins to fall apart. Fossils from 1.5 million years ago show gradual transitions, not sudden leaps. Homo erectus did not appear overnight with a modern body. Earlier forms existed, and later ones refined the same traits. Bone structure, muscle attachment points, and skull development all show continuity over time. These are exactly the patterns scientists expect from natural selection, not external engineering. Tool use during this period also reflects learning, not alien instruction. Stone tools became more symmetrical and efficient, but they remained simple. There is no sign of advanced technology or materials beyond what the environment provided. Fire use may have begun around this time, but it was inconsistent and difficult to control. If aliens were reshaping human bodies or minds, we would expect evidence of knowledge far beyond stone tools and scavenging techniques. Instead, what we see is trial, error, and slow improvement. The alien theory also underestimates the power of biology shaped by necessity. When survival depends on movement, endurance evolves. When food is scarce, intelligence offers an advantage. When predators are everywhere, cooperation becomes essential. Over thousands of generations, small advantages compound into major changes. The human body at 1.5 million years ago reflects this process perfectly. It is not a body designed for comfort, but for survival. There is also no physical evidence of extraterrestrial presence from this period. No non-Earth materials, no artificial implants, no unexplained genetic markers exist in the fossil or genetic record. Human DNA shows clear continuity with earlier primates, shaped by mutation and selection, not by external rewriting. Any advanced civilization capable of altering human bodies would have left unmistakable traces. The absence of such evidence strongly supports a natural explanation. Still, the question persists because it taps into something deeply human. We struggle to accept that such complexity could arise from simple beginnings. The idea that aliens shaped our bodies feels dramatic, meaningful, and mysterious. It transforms evolution into a story of intervention rather than endurance. In many ways, it mirrors ancient myths where gods shaped humans from clay, giving them form and purpose. Aliens are simply the modern version of those gods. Understanding life 1.5 million years ago requires humility rather than speculation. Early humans were not enhanced beings. They were fragile, intelligent animals learning how to survive in a dangerous world. Their bodies changed because they had to. Every step taken across open land, every tool shaped by hand, and every cooperative hunt pushed evolution forward. No external force was needed, only time and pressure. The real wonder is not what aliens did to our bodies, but what nature accomplished on its own. From vulnerability emerged endurance, from instinct emerged intelligence, from survival emerged humanity. The bodies we inhabit today are the result of millions of years of adaptation, struggle, and persistence. And perhaps the most extraordinary truth is that no outside force was required at all.